Hey guys, Andrew here with BikeTip.com. Want to make another short video today, this time with one of our helmet kits, specifically the aluminum kit. I want to give it a little twist too, but you'll see what I'm talking about. I've got a dingy old helmet here. It used to be a gloss black. Now it's just kind of, I don't know if you can make that out, it's kind of just a beat up, sort of there's a lot of scuffing and scratching. Anyway, we're going to take care of that today. We're going to make it look brand new, give it a really cool twist, like I said, with the aluminum helmet kit, and let's have some fun. All right. Okay, so first part done. We've got the helmet masked off. We used the masking bag included in the kit to get everything masked off that we don't want to spray. We've wiped it down twice with the pre-dip spray, also included in the kit. Make sure there's no contaminants on the surface, nothing that's going to stand in the way of a good bond. And now it's time to spray. Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of today's video. Essentially we took a helmet that had seen better days, it was beat up, old gloss black helmet, and we turned it into something really, really cool. Personally, I'd be really happy to ride around with this. We used the aluminum helmet kit, we put a couple coats of the silver metallizer over top to give it that extra sheen, that extra sparkle, and it came out beautifully. We have tons of options in helmet kits, wheel kits, sport bike kits, cruiser kits, all on the website. Check them out. If you have questions, let us know. Until next time, Andrew with BikeTip.com.